Looking for the perfect microwave, but feeling overwhelmed by endless options? From compact, budget-friendly picks to powerful all-in-one cooking machines, we've rounded up 5 of the best microwave ovens to instantly upgrade your kitchen. Whether you need speed, smart features, or versatility, there's a perfect match waiting for you. Let's dive in today and find the ideal one for your home needs now with confidence and ease for everyday cooking. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 Microwave Oven. The BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 Microwave Oven is a compact yet efficient appliance designed for everyday cooking tasks. With a 0.7 cubic foot capacity and 700 watts of power, it is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, or apartments where space is limited. Despite its compact size, it delivers reliable performance for reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen foods, and preparing quick meals. This microwave features pre-programmed buttons for popular items such as popcorn, pizza, beverages, and frozen dinners, making it extremely easy to use. The push-button door ensures convenient access, while the removable glass turntable promotes even heating. A built-in child safety lock adds extra protection, making it suitable for families. The digital control panel is simple and user-friendly, and the bright LED display allows easy monitoring of cooking time. Its stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern look that fits well in any kitchen. Overall, it is a dependable and budget-friendly option for daily use. Number 2. Toshiba EM131A5C SS Microwave Oven. The Toshiba EM131A5C SS Microwave Oven is a powerful and feature-rich appliance designed for modern kitchens. With a spacious 1.2 cubic foot capacity and 1,000 watts of power, it can easily handle everything from reheating meals to cooking larger dishes efficiently. One of its standout features is the smart humidity sensor, which automatically adjusts cooking time and power based on the moisture content of food. This ensures perfectly cooked meals without guesswork. It also includes 12 auto-cook menu options, allowing users to prepare various foods with a single touch. The large removable turntable ensures even heating, while the Eco mode helps reduce energy consumption. The control panel is intuitive and paired with a clear digital display for ease of use. Additionally, the mute function allows silent operation, making it ideal for quiet environments. Its easy-to-clean interior and stylish stainless steel finish add both convenience and elegance. Overall, this microwave offers excellent performance, smart features, and modern design for everyday cooking needs. Number 3. GE4 in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. The GE4 in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven is a versatile appliance designed to combine multiple cooking functions into one compact unit. With 1,050 watts of power and a 1.0 cubic foot capacity, it functions as a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, and broiler. This multifunctional capability allows users to prepare a wide variety of dishes. You can enjoy crispy fries using the air fry feature, bake evenly with convection cooking, or add a crispy finish using the broil function. It is perfect for those who want more cooking options without needing multiple appliances. Despite its advanced features, the microwave has a simple and intuitive control panel, making it easy to operate for users of all experience levels. Its compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens, dorms, and apartments. The stainless steel exterior gives it a premium and modern appearance, while its quiet operation enhances user comfort. Overall, this appliance is ideal for anyone looking for flexibility, convenience, and powerful performance in one device. Number 4. Panasonic NN SN686S Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN SN686S Microwave Oven is a high-performance appliance built with advanced technology for precise and efficient cooking. It features 1,200 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, making it suitable for both small and large meals. Its key feature is inverter technology, which delivers a steady flow of power instead of cycling on and off like traditional microwaves. This ensures even cooking and prevents food from overcooking or drying out. The Genius sensor automatically adjusts cooking time and power level based on the type of food, providing consistent results. The microwave also includes multiple preset cooking options, a quick minute function, and a large turntable for even heating. The control panel is easy to use, and the bright display improves visibility during operation. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Overall, this microwave is perfect for users who want precision, advanced features, and reliable performance in their daily cooking routine. Number 5. Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven. The Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven is a reliable and efficient appliance designed for everyday cooking needs. With 1,000 watts of power and a 1.1 cubic foot capacity, it offers a good balance between performance and size, making it suitable for most households. One of its key features is the 12.4-inch removable carousel turntable, which ensures even heating and cooking of food. It also includes several preset cooking options, allowing users to quickly prepare common meals such as popcorn, vegetables, and frozen foods. The control panel is simple and easy to use, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while the stainless steel exterior gives it a clean and modern look. This microwave performs well for reheating, defrosting, and cooking daily meals efficiently. Overall, the Sharp Countertop Microwave is a practical, affordable, and dependable choice for anyone looking for consistent performance in their kitchen. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.